Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed. Pretty positive day today for cotton. Market moved up quite a bit today. Lost some ground from those highs in the last couple of minutes, but still was up today and an impressive market. Cotton moving up in advance of this weekend. The anticipation, based on the forecast we're seeing, of continued very hot temperatures, no real chance of rain. And the anticipation also as we come in next Monday, if we look at the 6 to 10 day forecast at that point and it projects out for continued hot weather and no chance of rain, then the market probably will continue this sharp move higher. Grains, mixed, a little bit on the defensive because of what seems to be more and more sanctions announced against various countries. Tariffs being announced against our friends at the EU and also against others, China for instance. So the market's kind of apprehensive about that, and that has been a negative for the grain market. Let's look at the markets here. July cotton up 69 at 93.18, a high of 93.75, a low of 91.74. That high was made in the last 5 minutes of the day. It had a sharp drop with profit taking. I would think you're going to see this market come right back tomorrow morning, moving back higher again. We've got December cotton up 79 at 91.64, a high of 92.20, a low of 89.98. July soybeans down 5 at 10.18, a high of 10.30 and 3/4, a low of 10.13 and a half. July corn up 3/4 at 3.94 and a quarter, a high of 3.98 and a half, a low of 3.93 and a half. And July wheat up 5.5 at 5.27 and a half, a high of 5.31 and 3/4, a low of 5.15 and a quarter. A reminder, exports tomorrow morning at 7:30. There's anticipation that the new crop sales will be very big for cotton. Looking at the markets, we've got the crude oil market down a good bit, down 142 a barrel at 66.80. That's in July crude oil. Then we have the dollar down 11, gold down 1, silver down 9 cents, and the stock market is down. Dow Jones right now down 254. That's it. Have a good evening, and we'll talk to you first thing in the morning.